Welcome to Therapy in Purple. I'm Jennifer, a psychotherapist, herbalist, and a purple hair truth teller. I'm not here to give you that sit on the couch and tell me all your problems and I say, how do you feel about that? Yeah, that ain't me. I'm here for people who were raised to believe that therapy ain't for them, or their family told them that it wasn't safe to share your feelings and personal things that you experience with someone other than who was in your household. I'm here for the ones who learned how to and had to keep quiet and carry it all alone. Here we're going to talk about stuff that your family couldn't sit with, like boundaries, burnout, generational patterns and curses. Yeah. And not in a clinical way, but in a way that we're talking as friends, colleagues, mutual support, transparently and honestly. And I show up as my honest and transparent self. I want you to think about this space as a judgment-free space that you will be talking with your girlfriends, your guy friends, any of your friends. Now, I'm going to work like this, y'all. As far as my colorful lipstick and stuff, I got to be professional sometimes. But here, y'all gonna get what I look like all the time, what I do all the time, who I am completely and authentically. Because I think that that's how we show up. And I know that's how we show up as our best self. Not the one that is performing to be accepted or to be put in a box. We're gonna use examples of situations in everyday life, things that allow you to feel seen and heard or related to. Because honestly, that's what therapy gives and is. But what you won't find here is judgment. Look at me. I'm me. And I know you probably haven't seen a therapist that looks like me. I'm going to show you what it can be in a space where you're seen. I want you to know that healing, what we're going to be doing here, doesn't mean changing who you are. It means finally feeling safe to be you. And that's what we're going to do. Mental health care and self-care and support don't look like expectation, but it can look like you. Subscribe to my channel so we can have these talks that allows you to be the best version of you authentically. This is your safe space. You got this. I got your back. Subscribe for more. See you next time.